Selecting a new business management system may seem daunting. If you are a CTO or IT administrator tasked with recommending a new ERP system for your organization, our team at Opus Global Data Solutions is here to help you with your digital transformation journey. In this video, we will focus on 5 key areas to consider when evaluating ERP systems. Security should be one of your top priorities as you search for your new system. While you will no doubt want to stick with a platform that provides code accessibility and ease of customization, your system should be hosted in a secure environment by the best in the business, like Amazon Web Services, and offer a variety of security features that include data encryption for particularly sensitive information, two-factor authentication, intrusion detection, disaster recovery, and full PCI compliance. The goal for any new ERP should be to bring your entire team into the system. This, however, does require that your system can provide the functionality required to ensure proper access. For multi-branch or multi-company organizations, this begins with the ability to restrict users to their specific branch or company if necessary. For instance, if I worked at the products wholesale branch, this might be the only branch I can see or access here. These restrictions should also be able to be defined by role, user, and screen. For instance, an AR clerk should be able to access the receivables module, but maybe not all of the screens, or maybe not all of the fields on all of the screens. We could also decide if someone with this role has view-only access, the ability to insert or edit records, and if they should be allowed to delete records. User security controls should extend to GL accounts and sub-accounts. Here we can decide to restrict GL accounts and sub-accounts by branch. Or we can build restriction groups to lock down access to specific accounts regardless of branch. As an example, you may only want your finance users to have access to cash accounts. This functionality extends to sub-accounts, allowing you to enforce departmental controls throughout your entire organization. Your platform should also offer the ability to provide an audit history of the forums on which you wish to track changes and actions. Here we can define screens to audit, such as sales orders, and then decide if we will track all fields in the database or just those visible on the UI. I can leave all these fields selected, or just choose the ones that are important for me to audit. If I travel to a recent sales order, we can see the audit history here, which shows that a recent change was made on October 7th at 9:53 a.m. by the admin user. Specifically, the unit price was changed from $500 to $450. Consider the full scope of your entire organization's needs, as well as the technology currently employed. The ERP you choose should be able to handle most, if not all, of the major business functions that keep the lights on. We provide cloud solutions for a variety of different industries, with additional optional modules for specific functionality that not everyone needs, such as fixed assets and support cases. With a fully integrated system that pulls together your crucial business functions in one single system, you preserve a single source of truth for your data and eliminate the errors caused by duplicate data entry. This supports your overall operations, as well as your reporting capabilities across all areas of your business. While a new system that offers lots of core functionality may fully eliminate or reduce your need for additional systems, we know that there might not be a single solution that will offer everything you need. This is why it is important to identify the integration capabilities of any platform you are considering. For instance, does the system have native pre-built integrations with e-commerce sites, shipping carriers, sales tax automation software, and popular CRM tools? Are there robust REST and SOAP APIs? Does it provide an open platform that allows for additional integration development with common standard technology languages? Another consideration is if there is a publicly available marketplace of applications that work seamlessly alongside your chosen ERP. One of the greatest ways to improve the efficiency of your team is by providing a true cloud solution that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. In an age when work from home and remote work is common, your team should be delighted to learn that the new ERP only requires an internet connection and a web browser. A system that is easy to navigate and personalize for a specific user will pay dividends in boosting user adoption. Notice in my user interface that I have quick access to the different module menus, where I can easily edit my menus if I have access to do so. By identifying an item as a favorite, I can quickly build my list of frequently visited screens. Each user should also have at least one dashboard available for their role, which allows them to add or edit widgets that provide the important information they need to do their jobs well. With a single universal search, you can return menu items, relevant records and transactions, help documentation, and any files available in the system. Right next to the universal search, we have quick access to recently viewed records. In short, your users will never be lost. Some vendors restrict you to the public cloud. Some are still using old client-server technology, and others provide options but do not allow you to switch as your needs change, or will charge you a fortune to do so. The important consideration here is to identify your current and future needs. Do you want to reduce your IT spend on managing servers and upgrades, while also benefiting from top-notch disaster recovery? If this is the case, a public SaaS option might be best. If you have specific regulatory compliance requirements, deploying in a private cloud might be the best option instead. Otherwise, you might have unique needs that require an on-premise solution. It is crucial to select a business management system that meets all of your needs, both now and in the future. If you would like us to work with you to evaluate cloud solutions that will meet and exceed your needs, please contact us by calling our team or visiting us online.